If I was in charge of food trends, smashed potatoes would have replaced regular roasted potatoes years ago. The logic is simple. When you flatten a potato halfway through its roasting, you create more surface area, more contact with the heat of the oven, more edges that go crispy and golden, and more opportunity for that soft, gooey center we love inside a potato. It sounds like a small change, but it really is a complete mind shift. This technique makes this recipe stand out, and it actually goes beyond just mashing the potatoes. It's really all about the garlic. You take the youngest spring potatoes you can find, throw them together with olive oil, kosher salt, black pepper, and a whole head of garlic, as well as fresh sprigs of thyme. You place it cut side down directly on the pan, and then you roast it for 35 minutes, letting the garlic and the potatoes caramelize in the oven heat. Then you take a jar and you smash the potatoes until they become just shells of their former self. Then you plate it. By the time the potatoes are done, the garlic is soft, sweet, and almost jammy. You squeeze the cloves straight out of the skins onto the potato. No knife, no chopping. The garlic spreads like butter. You throw copious amounts of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. The bigger the flakes, the tastier it's going to be. And then fresh dill. I know it sounds a little wacky, but the freshness of the dill adds something herbaceous and vegetal to your potatoes, and it makes them feel like a celebration of spring. There's no raw bite to this. There's no sharp edges. Just deep roasted potatoes, garlic, cheese, and fresh herbs folded onto everything. It's really going to be the best Middle Eastern side you've made. Sit back and let the compliments roll in.